Welcome back to Charlie's Flavor Maps. I'm Charlie, and today we're going to be diving deep into the strategy I call a 3-for-1 map. If this wind will stop. I am so not a fan of the wind. It's driving me nuts, to be honest. Anyhow, specifically focusing on my shredded chicken pasta salad today. Ooh! It was so good for me. This isn't just about making a single meal. It's about a fundamental shift in how we approach the kitchen when our energy or our physical space has changed. Whether you are navigating life after a stroke, like I am, or you're living in the high desert schoolie life, efficiency is the only way to stay ahead of the curve. In my opinion, the pillar of a successful galley is the ability to cook once, eat 3 times. This specific map starts with a single batch of shredded chicken. We talked about that last week. And today we're transforming about 7-8 ounces of that protein into a creamy, high efficiency comfort bowl full of wind. Sorry, I hate this. We are looking at 560 calories, 21 grams of protein per serving, but the real value is in the execution. For those of us in small spaces, heat and cleanup are the enemies. By using pre-cooked chicken and a simple 20-minute pasta boil, we are keeping the steel galley cool and our stress levels low. This recipe uses a rich base of half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, but the secret is the acidity. The tablespoon of Dijon mustard and the splash of apple cider vinegar cut through that richness, while the 2 tablespoons of jarred roasted bell peppers slices a smoky sweetness that you just can't get from raw veggies. We're including a full bundle of green onions, both the white parts and the green parts. Now, this is done to ensure that every bite has that bright, sharp finish. When you're looking at the nutritional breakdown, you're getting 42% of your daily protein, that's a lot, and a solid hit of vitamin B6 and iron, which are essential for keeping your energy up in the desert heat or the desert wind. One of my personal pro tips for this specific map is the chill factor. While some people like warm pasta salad, and that's okay, I believe that keeping everything fully chilled before the final mix is what preserves the texture of the Roma potatoes and keeps the penne from getting mushy. While researching this recipe, I also found out that cold cooked pasta can be healthier. Take a look at this. Time for a quick bite from the snack rack. I'm Charlie, and you need to give this a chew. The chemistry of cold pasta. Did you know that cooling down your favorite noodles actually changes their DNA? In my opinion, this is one of the coolest memory hacks for your kitchen. When you cook pasta and then you let it fully chill, it goes through a process called starch retrogradation. Okay? Basically, the heat breaks the starch down, but the cooling process locks it back together into a completely different structure. This creates what scientists call resistant starch. For me, the best part is how the body reacts to it. Instead of hitting your system like a simple carb and causing a massive blood sugar spike, not good, your body treats the chilled pasta more like a fiber. It resists digestion in the small intestines and feeds your good gut bacteria instead. So by letting it chill, you're turning a heavy carb into a gut health win. Who knew? Short, sweet, and easy to keep. I'm Charlie, and that's today's Snack Rack. Deuces Snack Rack. I love those little segments. It's about being intentional with your movements and your ingredients. When you fold in that half cup of Colby Jack cheese, at the very end, you're completing a map that is designed to be easy on the body, but bold on the palate. For me, this is how we reclaim our independence in the kitchen. Now, we aren't just following a recipe. We are managing our resources so we can focus on the things that actually matter. For example, when you toss apple cider vinegar and a Dijon mustard into your dressing, you aren't just making it taste better. You are actually performing chemistry on your lunch. Time for a quick bite from the Snack Rack. I'm Charlie, and you need to give this a chew. The science of the tang. When you toss apple cider, vinegar, and Dijon mustard into your dressing, you aren't just making it taste better. You're actually performing chemistry on your lunch. See, the acidic acid in that vinegar interferes with the enzymes that break down starches. When you pair that with the resistant starch found in cold pasta, you create a double buffer for your body. Instead of that massive blood sugar spike and the inevitable food coma crash, your energy level stays stable. It turns the bowl of pasta into a slow burn fuel, okay, instead of a nap waiting to happen. It's pretty cool. Short, sweet, and easy to keep. I'm Charlie, and that's today's Snack Rack. Deuces. Yum, yum. It's about taking a simple ingredient like shredded chicken and making it feel like a gourmet reward instead of a chore. By reserving a little bit of that salted pasta water, you have the power to control the silkiness of your sauce without adding any extra fat or heavy ingredients. This is high desert efficiency at its best. Proving that you don't need a massive commercial kitchen to produce a meal that supports a heart-healthy, flavor-forward lifestyle. It just goes to show you, even when the recipe changes, you can still cook up a life that you love. Deuces.
I just wanted to let you know that we're going to be uploading new videos every Sunday, so stay tuned for more content just like this.